Hello and welcome to another Solos feature demo. My name is Ala Haddad, the developer for the Solo theme. And in this demo, we will talk about libraries and fonts, but still about the, the option for Font Awesome. So Font Awesome, I think everybody knows Font Awesome. I'm familiar with it. And this feature, it did exist in the old theme, and I felt like yes, it's a helpful feature. There is a module definitely. Feel free to use it, and that's why actually I put the theme in this kind of thing. If people want to download the module and use it, go ahead. If you don't want to download the module and just use it in a specific or in a small thing, you go ahead. And I added this is the latest uh, version for it. So it's a straightforward, same thing. You go and you attach the library and you go to Google Font and you attach the classes to it. I hope you like this feature and see you in the next one.